Standing proudly on the banks of the Thames, we soar above a place that shaped Britain's maritime destiny, the Old Royal Naval College in Greenwich. This site has been at the heart of royal and naval history for over 500 years. Once the location of the Tudor Palace of Placentia, the birthplace of Henry VIII, Elizabeth I, and Mary I, it was here that the dramas of the English Reformation and the Golden Age of exploration first unfolded. After the palace fell into ruin during the English Civil War, Queen Mary II envisioned a new purpose for this historic ground: a hospital for the wounded and retired sailors who had secured Britain's growing empire. Sir Christopher Wren, the architectural genius behind St. Paul's Cathedral, was commissioned to bring this vision to life. His design, majestic yet human in scale, created a place of dignity, hope, and grandeur for those who had given their lives to the sea. The crown jewel is the Painted Hall, completed over 19 painstaking years by Sir James Thornhill. Its soaring ceilings, rich with allegory and triumph, immortalize Britain's naval victories and the divine right of monarchs. It was so magnificent that it was used to host grand banquets and royal ceremonies. Across the courtyard, the chapel of St. Peter and St. Paul reminds visitors of the spiritual life of the sailors who once worshipped here. After a devastating fire in 1779, the chapel was rebuilt in a graceful neoclassical style, featuring delicate carvings by master craftsman Grinling Gibbons. In 1873, the buildings found a new purpose as the Royal Naval College, becoming a world-renowned academy where future admirals and captains were trained. For over a century, these halls echoed with the footsteps of those who would steer Britain's naval power through 2 world wars and into the modern age. Among its alumni are some of Britain's greatest naval heroes, and its legacy continues today, a symbol of Britain's centuries-long relationship with the sea. Today, the Old Royal Naval College stands not just as a place of memory, but as a celebration of resilience, vision, and beauty, a timeless link between the past and the future.